kicking off the 4th of July festivities here at Richfield Park in New Jersey with a spectacular 5-story tall hot air balloon will honor the service and sacrifice of female military veterans.
We've been serving in the armed forces for 71 years. It's nice and comforting to get recognition, you know, and it being exposed out there, you know, just people just, you know, valuing us in the open and publicly. It's nice. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel that, you know, they care. They care about the female vets. They care about veterans. You know, I come from a military family, so it's kind of like, wow, you know, this is awesome. You know, my father passed away 3 years ago, so he was helping me to transition into, of course, the civilian life and stuff. So yeah, I'm very proud that they are doing this.
Bye, guys. We're saluting America's birthday in the way that we know best as a balloon festival, taking one of the 100 hot air balloons that'll be out at the festival July 26th to 28th. This is the largest free-flying American flag. We call it PNC Salutes America. We're out here wishing America a happy birthday.